so excited I'm gonna fall out of this chair. My name's Regina and welcome to my channel. Today we are trying something brand new. It just came out from Chantecaille. It is the Chantecaille Future Skin Cushion Skincare Foundation. They're doing an amazing cause where they feed baby elephants. So every time you buy one, it feeds baby elephants. And we are not gonna talk about the price because we're fancy and it's expensive. Got a little elephant. I love it already. Chantecaille is saying that this is the best foundation they have ever launched. It actually has skin morphing technology where it helps match to your shade. It has skincare in it. It's water light. I love the cushion foundations. They're so fun because you just boop, boop, boop. So we are gonna try it on, wear it all day, see how it does, see if we love it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So they said what makes this formula so unique is that they're shades that flex. So one shade has the versatility to work with multiple skin tones. So we're gonna kind of see how that goes. When I was at Blue Mercury, I had them help me shade match and the girls were so helpful there and they said they didn't even have swatches out yet, but the other Chantecaille foundations, the shades are the same. So they helped me use those to match. We're gonna open it up. Let's check it out. It has a little elephant on it. All right, so I'm gonna put this down for a minute and let's check out what this little pamphlet says. So it says Chantecaille, and then you open it up. So this is explaining how they've been long-term partners with the Sheldrick Wildlife Trust Foundation in Kenya, operating the most successful baby orphan elephant rehabilitation and rescue in the world. Okay, so in this package, you get the cushion, you open it up, and then when you open this part, this is where we're gonna pull this off, but also it does come with an extra cushion. So the extra cushion is in the bottom here, and it's a refill, so you can refill it, which is really nice. And this is what it comes with. So you can save this so when it starts to run out, you can go ahead and refill it, which is awesome. Okay, so we're gonna open this puff up and then you open this and then you just pull this little tab here and there's the cushion. And then we're gonna take the little puff, and so let's go try it on. All right. I am fresh-faced, just moisturizer on. I am not gonna use primer today because I really wanna see how this foundation performs. So I'm gonna open it up. Here's the little cushion. Tap it, and it's there, and you just tap it in. This feels water light. Doesn't have any smell. So I'm gonna start off doing one side, and we can kind of see the difference together. It's supposed to be very lightweight, instantly perfecting, blurring your pores. I'm gonna come up a little closer so you can see. Okay, so besides my bloodshot eyes, this looks like skin. The coverage is actually really good for being water light. It definitely helps conceal redness. My freckles are slightly covered. My pores are blurred. It feels like you're just tapping hydration into your skin. It does feel a little tacky, so we'll see if it sets down. I'm not gonna use setting powder or setting spray. All right, so I have just finished applying it to both sides of my face. The finish is very nice. It's not too matte. It's not too luminous. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll see you back here in just a sec. All right, so I just finished putting the rest of my makeup on. I'm not using setting powder. I really wanna see how it holds up throughout the day. I did use a little bit of bronzer just to give some definition, a little bit of contour. So we're gonna wear it. I'm gonna do a check-in with you, and then we're gonna give final thoughts and kind of see how it goes, how it performs. I would love for you to subscribe. We can check out brand new foundations and makeup as it comes out. I love doing these reviews. I love sharing them with you, and I hope you come along and enjoy it with me. Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to do a quick check-in. It has been about 9 hours. I'm checking in my car. I've been wearing my mask all day. It's been a really long day outside, so I just wanted to give you a little heads up and kind of see how it's going. My skin does feel very hydrated. I don't have any problem. There's no caking. Usually I have stuff caking around here and around my nose area. It didn't rub off too bad with the mask, so I'm surprised because I didn't use a setting spray or or setting powder. I do have combo to oily skin, so you are starting to see some of that coming through, and it is a little bit shiny, so you probably could use a setting spray, but it still looks, my skin looks very healthy, which is awesome. So I will check back in with you for final thoughts. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up, kind of show you what's going on, and I will see you in a little bit. All right, guys, I am back for final check-in, final thoughts. This is what it looks like after a 12-hour day. I'm sure that you all can relate. So what I will say about this foundation is it did end up drying down, but it did keep my skin feeling very moisturized throughout the day. It did start to get a little shiny. I am combo skin, so I have some dry areas, and then I get oily here and here. The shine definitely is coming through here and on my forehead. Didn't have any problem with caking. It has rubbed off a little bit in these areas. And also, though, I was wearing my mask for a lot of the day, and I'm really surprised because it actually stayed on pretty well for most of the day, so that's great. Obviously, all my other makeup pretty much has worn off. I've taken my hair down. You know how it goes. But yeah, so I would say that this definitely felt like I had some very good skincare on all day. I did have a nice glow. I would say definitely light to medium coverage. You can build this up a little bit. Also, again, I didn't use primer or powder or setting spray, so I think you could definitely add a little bit of primer underneath this. It would probably help give it some more staying power. Overall, though, I really did love it. I definitely feel like my skin isn't irritated. It feels hydrated. And so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, give this a thumbs up, and I will see you soon.